Step after step, we move forward, placing one foot a little further in front of the other. It doesn't seem like much, but over time, all of these little steps add up. And together, they take us somewhere totally new. We've been making little steps every single day. Recently, we've taken steps to make more of our products from recycled materials, like old fishing nets. Steps to make our SolarCell remotes charge by light and lower the energy usage of our TVs. Steps to recycle and repurpose e-waste. Steps to reduce microplastics released into the ocean on laundry day. Of course, we've not yet gone as far as we can go. There are many more steps we need to take, but that's exactly what we're going to do.